On your next TV appearance, there's one thing I recommend that you do, and that you need to conduct an AV cross-track, an audio video cross-track. Now let me explain. What does that mean? What does that mean? One, you have to check your audio, make sure you sound good. Two, you need to make sure you have good lighting. Is the light here in your face? Is your face illuminated? All right. Don't set up in front of a window to make you look dark because it would blow out the camera lens. And then number three, check your video. How does it look? How does your frame look? Do you have backlighting? Do you have a bookcase? Do you have a photo? You might want to go this extreme with some mood lighting, maybe a TV and a little accent in the corner just to show off your personality of who you are. So make sure your background is kind of matched up with who you are and what you do. So those are the three things that you need to be thinking about doing in an AV cross check. Check your audio, check your lighting, check your video. So when you are on your next TV appearance, you look like a star. I'm your camera guy, Chris McPhee, and I'm out of here. Peace.